doing another prank. They're prank now. So, we're gonna do, wait, okay, so we're gonna do, we have a new prank, right? So, we're going to, so my brother and my husband, we're going to do, we've probably done this before, you guys have done this before, we're probably going to, so we're going to be recording and shooting. We're going to be watching, we're going to be on the computer and something, I don't know. I'm going to get some water. Something, yeah. So we're going to like, spray or something. Or I could probably put it in my hand. And I'm going to like, clean. We're going to go clean. Alright, it's going to be water. We're going to, like it's not, but it's not. So, yeah. How it goes. What are you guys doing?
Do it one more time.
Freaking get you!
Oh! Uh-oh.
Help me!
Alright. Who wants to end it? Who wants to end the prank?
Okay, guys.
That was a success.
One more prank. That was also the dirtiest prank ever.
Peace out, K Elite Squad.
Peace out, home.